Welcome back to my channel, Dorese's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Fashionphile unboxing, so hopefully you guys can see. I'm really excited to show you guys what I picked up from Fashionphile. This is kind of going to be a true unboxing, but kind of not. So without further ado, we're kind of just going to jump right into the video. But before we get started, if you have not hit the subscribe button, go ahead and make sure you do that. If you have not hit the notification bell yet, please make sure you go ahead and hit that as well. And then of course, make sure you're commenting, hitting that thumbs up button for the algorithm and all that, because it really is going to help me continue to grow here on this platform. So let's go ahead and just kind of talk about what I picked up from Fashionphile. So if you are a OG subscriber, you guys know that this is actually my second Fashionphile unboxing. And I kind of was going to lump it into my part 2 of my luxury haul. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support that I've been receiving on that video. It really means a lot. But I wanted to just kind of do something separate, because a lot of times, well, this is like kind of a different way that I did things through Fashionphile this time around. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do a whole dedicated video just to this. And if I do want to decide to add it into that video, I can still do that. But yeah, so I don't want to ramble too much. But basically what I did was this time around, I did the actual layaway program through Fashionphile, which honestly was really user friendly. Didn't have any issues. I really just put it on reserve is what they call it. And then I paid for it at like I think you get like 60 days. So that's kind of how I went about doing this. But I'm so excited about what I purchased. And of course, the quality, everything's amazing. So I did do a little sneak peek just to make sure. But yes, let me show you guys what I picked up this time around. So, and if you guys watch these types of videos, you kind of pretty much are already familiar with the Fashionphile. Like, you know, they have like the box, really good packaging. It had confetti in there. I don't think I should need to go through all that. But here it is. It came in the Fashionphile dust bag. It didn't have the original dust bag, which is fine. I'm not a real big stickler for like the actual designer's dust bag. But guys, look what I picked up. And it's definitely probably not what you guys are expecting. Definitely something a little different from anything I really have in my collection. So I'm really excited. So let me go ahead and show you. I got a mini Balenciaga city bag. Yes, guys, this bag is gorgeous. Look at this color. I hope the camera's doing this color justice. I just got a new phone too, guys, so hopefully my quality in these videos are a little better than what they had been being. I don't know, they were just getting really weird. But yes, I went ahead and I picked this up, and this is just, guys, this is me all day. So I haven't really looked at the bag. I mean, I took it out just to see, like, okay, what does it look like, and make sure, you know, it's the right bag and everything. But yes, so it has a little mirror, which I did not even know. So that I love. And it has like a little wrapper in there. And of course, you guys know I'm a top handle girl now, so my bags have to have a top handle. It has a zipper, and it has a crossbody strap, which is adjustable from what I'm showing. So I'm really excited. And I'll try to go ahead and do a little mod shot in a second here. But yeah, I mean, this bag is honestly in pristine condition. It has like, it's a very functional bag. This is, if you guys know me, then you know that I am not the one that really goes for bags that aren't functional for my lifestyle, and I don't like big bags anymore, but I do like a decent sized bag. So this is perfect. This is going to fit more than my essentials, honestly, guys. So I absolutely love this. And it actually has this little Balenciaga tag in the front pocket, which is really nice to, you know, reassure you that you are getting an authentic product. But it definitely does have the certificate of authenticity from Fashionphile. And Fashionphile is honestly one of my most trusted resale sites. especially for when you're buying pre-loved items. So yes, and okay, so let's get into this bag. Let's get into this gold hardware and how gorgeous it is. I cannot wait to break this out somewhere. And I really have been dying for a navy blue bag. I mean, I had like this denim bag by Rebecca Minkoff that was serving as like the navy blue bag in my collection, but I'm over it. I needed something new, and I needed something with gold hardware because I honestly prefer gold over any other hardware. So that's where we're at. But yes, I just love it. I mean, it just almost looks like it's brand new. I mean, I don't see any scuff. I don't see anything on here. So whoever had this bag, you know, I don't think they used it much, if they used it at all. And it is just so perfect. So let me go ahead and hook the strap on so you guys can kind of get a gauge for what it looks like on. So here it is with the strap on, a pretty decent size. I'm gonna go ahead and crossbody it over me just to see if it stops where I would like it to. And guys, it's perfect. It stops exactly where I would love for it to stop at. Now, I do kind of sometimes prefer that the handles stay up in my bags. I'm a crossbody girl. I know a lot of people say, oh, it has a crossbody strap, but I would never wear it that way. That's not me. I'm wearing it that way. So yes, and then it has like this braided detail on the handle. I am really impressed. It has an inside pocket, as you guys can see. This is just really a gorgeous bag. So I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I believe I paid, I can't remember the exact price. I have to put it on the screen, but I think it was in like the $600 range. And of course, like I said, I put it on reserve, so I did get the chance to pay that over time. And I think it's worth it. It's a all leather bag, which of course is a plus. Like I said, gorgeous gold hardware. And I believe these bags now, they brought these back out and they're retailing for like $2,000 something, if I'm not mistaken. Like the newer styles of this. No, we don't do that on this channel. We're all about affordable luxury. You guys already know that if you're an OG here. So yes, so if you have any questions in regards to Fashionphile, you know, how the process worked, like I said, it was very seamless. It's my second time working with them, and I'm really impressed. Even with the reserve policy, shipping was very fast once I did go ahead and make the final payment. And other than that, yeah, that is pretty much it. That brings us to the end of the video. Didn't want to ramble on too much, but I definitely want to share this with you guys. So if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.